This tool is about to become the Swiss Army knife of your digital work, and let me show you exactly how. Let's start with a simple fact. Today, when creating content, we often have to switch constantly between multiple tools. One for writing, one for designing, another for presentations, one for video, one for reports, and by the end, we are left with a bunch of half-finished files that don't connect within a single workflow. This is exactly where the idea behind Runable begins. Instead of spreading your work across multiple tools, you bring everything into one unified environment and push your projects forward seamlessly. Runable is essentially an all-in-one content creation platform built around a chat-based AI agent, which means that instead of complicated menus and confusing settings, almost everything happens through simple conversation. You type what you want, whether it's a website, a presentation, a video, a podcast, a report, or even a professional text document. And Runable doesn't just make suggestions, it actually takes action and produces results. Once you enter Runable, the first thing you notice is a completely clean and minimal interface, designed to focus on the chat itself rather than unnecessary buttons. In the middle of the screen is the main conversation space where your messages, responses, files, and outputs such as images, videos, documents, or project links all appear. This means the entire project journey, from the initial idea to the final output, moves along a clear timeline and never gets lost. To get started, simply follow the link in the description to the Runable website, and if you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up with your email or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, you can check your profile in the top right corner to see exactly what plan you have, or to upgrade via the View Plan section. In the billing area, your payment status and credits are clearly displayed, showing how many credits you have and where they have been used. One of the most useful sections here is Connect Apps, which allows you to link Gmail, Google Drive, and other services, enabling you to manage tasks directly within the platform without any back and forth. Lastly, the Invite Friends feature lets you earn up to 1,000 extra credits by inviting your friends. At the center of the screen is the message box, which is exactly where everything begins. You can type your request or attach a file, ranging from images and PDFs to Excel sheets, code, videos, or documents. The important thing is that Runable doesn't just receive files, it actually analyzes them, works with them, modifies them, and produces new outputs. On the left side of the screen is a sidebar where you can manage all your projects, start a new chat, view previous projects, rename them, delete them, or continue working on them. This feature is especially useful for anyone managing multiple projects at once, because Runable functions like a centralized workspace rather than just a simple AI tool. What sets Runable apart from many similar tools is that it doesn't stop at content creation. You can ask it to build a complete website, then generate the content, create the visual design, and even assist with publishing. Similarly, it can produce a professional presentation, design slides, write text, and deliver a fully presentable output without requiring you to have any design skills. Now, let's dive deeper into Runable and explore its main modules, each of which covers a different aspect of the content creation process, forming a complete ecosystem together. First is AI Slides, where you can create a full presentation simply by writing a short description. You specify the topic, the audience, and whether the tone should be formal or casual, and Runable automatically suggests the slide structure, titles, text for each slide, and even the overall design. Importantly, after the slides are created, any changes, whether adding or reducing text, changing the tone, or completely redesigning the presentation, can be done with a single message in the chat, not through time-consuming manual edits. Within this module, you can also create a task for the tool to execute, and on the right side of the screen, there is a Design Inspiration section, where you can choose from thousands of templates and customize them to reach a polished output quickly. This is a lifesaver for people who either don't know design or don't have time, while still maintaining professional quality. After assigning a task, you can follow the creation process through the 3 modes at the top of the page, including Steps, which shows the progress in real time. Within just a few minutes, a multi-slide presentation is ready, something that could take hours manually, and you can easily download it in multiple formats. Next comes AI Website, where Runable truly proves itself as an all-in-one tool. You can ask it to build a complete website, from page structure to content, design, and sections like About, Services, or Contact. You can specify whether it should be minimal, commercial, or suitable for a startup, and Runable delivers accordingly. This module is especially useful for freelancers and startups startups who want to quickly have a presentable website without needing coding or professional design skills. By selecting an inspiration like build a portfolio website for a graphic designer and confirming, the website is created in under 5 minutes, ready to publish, with the source code available for GitHub, downloadable as a zip, or runnable locally in VS Code. AI Report is focused on professional reports, analytics, and formal outputs. You can request a complete report, such as a market report, performance summary, or analytical file for team or client presentations. Structure, headings, summaries, and tone, formal or semi-formal, are all controlled through the chat, with the final output delivered as a neat, downloadable file. For example, you can generate a 15 to 20-page sales report in Excel, watch it being created step by step, and then download it as PDF, Excel, or plain text. The AI Podcast module is for audio content creation, allowing you to generate podcast scripts, prepare dialogues, and even structure the episode entirely within Runable. This eliminates the need to write scripts separately and then switch to another tool, streamlining the entire process from concept to finished script.
AI marketing, the future is now. I'm Sarah, and today we're
computer vision, and it all moves fast. I'll try to keep
this year tipped to hit over 100 billion
and even pricing in milliseconds.
The rise of SpaceX, rockets, reusability, and the road to Mars. Welcome to our deep dive. I'm Alex, your enthusiastic space geek, and today we are tracing space
wild successes and how reusable rockets changed everything.
AI Image allows you to generate or prepare images, whether for content, covers, website visuals, or presentation graphics. The key advantage is that the images are created within the same project, maintaining consistency in style and application across all content. You can specify the AI model, add a reference image, and generate a cinematic sunset scene in the desert, for example, producing a high-quality output in seconds. AI Document is ideal for professional text files like proposals, educational documents, resumes, or explanatory files. You simply state your goal, and Runable structures, writes, and revises the content, eliminating the need to jump between multiple tools. For instance, you can create a well-organized resume in less than a minute by entering basic information and choosing a template. Finally, AI Video enables fast video content creation from concept and script to initial output. This is perfect for anyone who wants a ready-to-use video or a strong base for further editing. Without starting entirely from scratch, you can choose models, set a first frame, define prompts like Messi and Ronaldo are making a cake, set duration and resolution, and generate a video in seconds ready for social sharing. In the end, Runable is truly a Swiss Army knife of digital content creation. Everything you need, text, images, video, podcasts, presentations, and websites, is handled in one unified environment. Instead of jumping between tools, you transform your ideas into professional outputs through a single conversation. Start using Runable now, launch your project, and experience how an all-in-one tool can make your digital work faster, easier, and more efficient. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until the next video, my friend.